distracted, scrolling through TikTok, dumb pet videos, staying up to date with the Kardashian celebrities, buying that new purse you saw that cute girl wearing online, posting that happy selfie hanging out with your friends, dissolved in the propaganda machine, making you look the other way, keeping you blind, unable to see what's really going on. Wake up!
Don't have long. Time spills through our fingers like grains of sand, each passing moment reminding us of the end, as if the very essence of life is being drained away. Everyone was too distracted and naive to see what was coming, to see the truth. We were mere subjects trapped within an experiment that had veered off its intended path, but to unleash drastic measures in a desperate attempt to quell the escalating chaos.
Intruder! Evacuate the city immediately. Intruder, please evacuate the city immediately. Intruder, please evacuate the city immediately. Intruder, please evacuate the city immediately.
Press enter to prevent reset. Error. System failure. Error. System failure.
Error. System failure.
The illusion that shrouds our existence, for this is not true reality. What we perceive as solid ground beneath our feet is naught but an ephemeral veil, delicately woven to trap our senses in deception.
Evacuation system initiated. Please stand by.
It's all coming to an end. The threads that hold the fragile tapestry together are unraveling, revealing the true nature of our existence. A reset beckons, an inevitable act to restore order amidst the